Hola! Today we will learn about verbs in Spanish. We're going to start dealing with the infinitive of a verb. Any given verb has an infinitive form, and we could say that this is the most basic form of the verb. It is the root from where all the forms of the verb come from. A few examples of infinitives in English would be to speak, to work, or to buy. It is the form of the verb before it is conjugated, or if you prefer, it is the verb when it's preceded by to. We can recognize the infinitive of a verb in English because, as we said, it has to before. But in Spanish, we need to look at the ending to recognize an infinitive. And we have three types of infinitives in Spanish. Those ending in ar, or ending in er, or ending in ir. The best way to proceed is to have some examples of each. Let's start with three examples with ar. First one is trabajar, to work, trabajar. If you look at the ending, it's an AR. That is an infinitive, trabajar. Hablar, to speak, hablar. Pensar, to think, pensar. Let's move on to the verbs ending in er. Comer, to eat, comer. Look at the ending, is er, is different to the AR. Beber, to drink, beber. And finally, leer, to read, leer. We're going to move on now to the verbs ending in ir. Escribir, ir ending, so it is telling us it's an infinitive. Oír, to hear, oír. Reír, to laugh, reír, laugh. Let's have some practice now. Here we have 10 verbs that are very similar in both languages, so they are cognates. And we have 10 verbs that you need to guess the meaning of. It is very easy. First one is admitir. Look at the ending, it's an IR ending. If you drop the ending, you get the English word, to admit. Cancelar, very similar. If you drop the ending, the AR, you get cancel. So it is to cancel. Celebrar. In this case, it's slightly different. It is celebrate. It is very easy to guess the meaning. Comentar. If you drop the AR ending, you get the English word, to comment. Comunicar, to communicate. Eliminar, same thing, eliminate. Insistir, drop the IR ending, you get to insist. Limitar, drop the ending, you get limit, to limit. Participar, to participate. And presentar, if you drop the ending, you get present. So that's the verb to present in Spanish. And the things to remember from this lesson are that the infinitive is the root verb from where all the forms of the verb derive. Infinitives are verbs that are not conjugated. We will start conjugated in next video. And finally, we need to remember there are three types of infinitives ending in ar, in er, or in ir.